Have you ever deleted an important text message by mistake? It feels like there is no way to get it back. But here is the good news for you. You can actually recover deleted messages on your iPhone in many cases. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, and in this video I will show you 3 simple ways to recover deleted text messages on your iPhone. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. Method 1 is recover from recently deleted. First, open the Messages app. If you have deleted a message recently, there is a good chance it's still in the recently deleted folder. So here is how to find it. Tap Filters in the top left corner. Then tap on Recently Deleted. You will now see the conversations you have deleted. Apple keeps deleted messages here for up to 40 days before removing them permanently. If you find your conversations, just tap the conversation and then tap on Recover. Tap Recover again to confirm. And that is it. Your messages will appear back in your Messages app. Let's move on to method 2. Download messages from iCloud. Maybe your message is not in recently deleted. Don't worry, let's try another method. Open Settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top, then go to iCloud, then click on See All, then Messages in iCloud. Now turn Messages in iCloud off. Your iPhone will ask if you want to disable and download messages. Just tap on it. This tells your iPhone to download any message stored in iCloud onto your device. Sometimes messages that are not showing on your phone can appear again after this download finishes. Once it's done, open the Messages app and check if your message is back. Then turn Messages in iCloud back on so everything stays synced. Method 3 is Restore an iCloud backup. If the first 2 methods didn't work for you, there is one last option. This method restores your entire iPhone from an older backup. That means your phone goes back to how it looked on the day the backup was created. If the backup was made before you deleted the message, there is a good chance you will get it back. But there is one important thing to know. Anything you have added after that backup, like photos, apps, or new messages, may be lost. So make sure you back up your current data first. Now check when your last backup was created. Just go to Settings, then click on Your Name, then iCloud, then iCloud Backup. Look at the last backup date. If it's older than the day you deleted the message, you can restore it. Here is how. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Erase All Content and Settings. If asked about your eSIM, choose Keep eSIM. After your iPhone restarts, follow the setup steps. When you see the option, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Then select the backup from before the message was deleted. Now wait for the restore to finish. Once it's done, open the Messages and app. Check if your deleted conversation has returned. These 3 are the best ways to recover deleted text messages on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.